So these are the ingredients you need to make meatloaf. You'll use the green hoho, the red hoho, the yellow one, potatoes, ketchup, cheese, minced meat, fresh milk, dania, eggs, onions, and the spices I'm using today are cumin, paprika, garlic powder, and black pepper. It's a really good recipe and I know you guys will like it. So yeah, let's do this. I forgot to mention that we'll need breadcrumbs, so I'm through with the prep. So now what we'll do, we'll need to boil the potatoes and boil the eggs. And then I'll also show you how we'll incorporate all these ingredients to the minced meat which is here, so that we can prepare the meatloaf. I got my bowls from a local store. I think that's why this video is on an interior and decor page, because there are those two small pieces which we are likely to ignore, but they form part and parcel of how our homes generally look. So we need to mix this until it incorporates properly with the minced meat. I don't use any particular order, so I just start with the onions, but I don't think there's any harm with starting with whichever ingredient. So then yeah, my meatloaf is colorful. So when I was being shown by my very good friend and sister Dorothy how to make this, we just used the green bell pepper, but the extras, the yellow and the red, is Zuri trying to be colorful and experimental and creative. But I've used this before and it turned out just fine. So I think it's now evenly mixed. It's already smelling really, really, really nice. I know you're wondering why we are boiling the eggs, and your guess is not correct. We are not using eggs in the meatloaf. I'll mash them together with the mashed potatoes, and I'll also add dania to the potatoes. So, and the milk as well, I'll add it to the potatoes. Our meatloaf is ready. Looks yummy, smells yummy. A whole meal.